Hi, my name is Gan Chia Zhi, and the topic of my research is the role of passive organizational support, HR practice, and knowledge sharing in digital creative industry. But then why this industry? Because it is becoming more important and crucial for Malaysia. For example, this industry is expanding at 8% annually, which means it is generating more revenue every year for Malaysia. And also a very successful case of Nanami by which attracting many tourists to Malaysia, the Kuantan. So I conduct this research by using quantitative methods, and the sample size is determined by G power. I collect the data by using Google Form and finally analyze them via SPSS. There is three major gaps to be investigated in these studies, which is the contradiction that I found from previous study. Majority of study and research suggests the positive relationship between POS and IWB, HR and IWB, and knowledge sharing and IWB. But then there are several studies that speak otherwise. So these three major theoretical gaps generates three research questions and also three hypotheses accordingly. Well, now, the major findings of my research is that hypothesis 1, which is the positive relationship between POS and IWB, is supported. But then, for hypothesis 2, which is the positive relationship between HR practice, which is especially the reward and compensation, and the IWB, is reject, which means that the extrinsic rewards like salary, allowance, and bonus are not going to motivate employee to be innovative. So this is also the major contribution of my research that maybe the manager in the industry can try to approach in this way, in intrinsic motivation to motivate their employee to be innovative. And lastly, the hypothesis 3 is supported but marginally, which means there is still more to be investigated to be found in knowledge sharing. So, my recommendation for the future study is that including intrinsic motivation and also knowledge leak as moderator to provide a wider explanation between the relationship between among them. So finally, I wish that my findings can help you all guys to better understand the relationship in digital creative industry. Thank you.